Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Stephanie Renee and today I'm going to be reviewing the Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette Celestial Divinity, the Mega palette. So initially I was so excited. I haven't owned anything of Pat McGrath and I've been like a fan worshiper, especially if you follow her on Instagram. I mean, everything is so shimmery and so magical and such black girl magic personified. So excited to check out some of her items that she does sell. So first I want to start off by showing you guys what the Celestial Divinity packet looks like. So I got this actually as a Christmas gift because I have been talking about Pat McGrath so much that somebody gave it and just gave it to me. So first off, this is what the outside package looks like. So freaking gorgeous. And so then you also get, bam, the same print on your actual palette. And it also has the names of each color on it as well. So I did also do my eyeshadow look today with it. I expect I will grow in the Pat McGrath way, but I put a little bit of the shadow and it was so nice and finely milled that I do actually see, you know, the quality of it. So, but take a look at these beauties right here. And this is the color that I used on my eye today to give it just a little bit of a green shimmer, and it was so fine. And then in the corner I used this color here, so that's Compilation and Venison Orchard that I used. Very nice, definitely feeling it. I can't wait to figure out, you know, all the tips and tricks and secrets to using it, but this is what it looks like when you get it. So I did also get a couple of lippies as well. So the one that I have that I'm actually wearing right now is this one. It's Lust Gloss in Flesh 4. Again, straight art in the palette or in the packaging. So super, super cute. And I'm gonna swatch these on my arm. I did also swatch the palette, but look, I mean, you get so many colors with the Celestial packet. I mean, look at that. I know you only get like 12, I want to say, in the normal MTHRSHP one, so we really did get like a straight bonus. So this is the Flesh 4 and the Lust Gloss, and I'm wearing it on my lips. But I go ahead and do a swatch on the back of my arm too. And like, it literally smells like baked goods. Which, I mean, who doesn't want to smell like a snack, right? Ooh. And then I got a lipstick. And this is the LUXETRANCE Lavish. Again, bomb ass packaging. So it's like a little satin, but not over the top like the gloss. It isn't matte, but it isn't super shiny either. So that first one is the Flesh, number 4, and the second one is the Lavish. Love it. Okay, and then number 3 is another Lust Gloss in Aphrodisiac. Also comes in this cute little package. These Lust Glosses just feel good when you put them on. Boop, boop, boop. So those are the 3 that I got. So all in all, I feel like they really go the extra mile with the packaging and the actual product. Like, this feels amazing. And the finely milled eyeshadow. But keep watching my channel. Go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'm gonna be posting more videos about the beginner's guide to Pat McGrath, because I'm gonna be learning right along with you guys about how to really make them pop and really get the quality out of them. So let me know what you guys think. Put a comment below letting me know how you feel about the line. If you have any favorite standouts, anything that you don't like, not worth the money to buy, let me know. And please go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. I'm going to be posting so many pictures with this new makeup at steph.com_. So talk to you guys soon, and thanks for watching my channel.